Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a piece of snail mail for one of my pen pals. And I actually started this and then realized that I should probably film a video. So what I've done already is to washi tape two pieces of cardstock together, both on the front as well as on the back. And these are two pieces out of just the 6x6 paper pad. A little tip is to leave a little gap in between the two pieces before you washi tape it. That way, once it's closed, there's a little leeway for all of the embellishments and goodies that are added. So now I'm just going to add all of my embellishments, and once I'm finished with this, I'll paper clip my letter to my pen pal on the inside. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave those down in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.